sleeping around yakhe. Athi ubaba ngifuna uhambo lalo. I'm just like, uqinisile kodwa ubaba wakhe lapho, guys. You need to be sure about your stuff. Khona manje uthi I'm not even sure ukuthi even that lady wami pregnant. And apparently also uMacele akafuni ukuthi uLwandle amithise ey'ngolweni or nje ajole ey'ngolweni basically, but it's just like no, lowo muntu lowo waseThekwini anyways. I'm like engabe ey'ngolweni kwenzakalani? Hey, I want. Bese kuba indaba kaMakhwela. Yabo uMakhwela ngempela umsebenzi angazi wayeyekelana bona abantu ukuthi bayasebenza. I get it ukuthi wayesanda ukuthola ingane and all of that. Wahambe umuntu ku-maternity leave. The next thing akasabuyela emsebenzini. The next thing she doesn't want to work. Ufuna ukuthi uMakhumalo must take care of her. Hayi bo, this girl is not even serious about life. I'm just like, yabo sis, who must take care of you? Makhumalo doesn't owe you anything. Who brought you here? Who brought you la ekhaya? Umusamseli ku umuntu wakho owakuletha lo, he must take care of you. Lo stressana noMakhumalo. uMakhumalo zithi zina uthwele fanele athwaliswe. Cabanga uMakhumalo took care of Mpilo. Ngiya-understand ukuthi mina I've always said ukuthi Mpilo's mom has always been available the way I see it, because I saw her also there at the graduation. I think she's always been involved in a child's life. Just end up engathi umuntu o-adoptwa uMakhumalo. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Ngapha nobaba futhi ngathi ukwatele uMpilo akasamkhulumisa. Umusa can be so childish, oh my gosh. Mayethanda vele abiyingane umusa. Athi ngoba uMpilo akafuna ukuvela manje akasafuna ukusebenza la kwi-production yabo, uthando nesithembu, yini inkinga kaMpilo uyayitshela. I'm just like, hey guys, you know what? Mpilo has a degree. She can do whatever she wants. She can go work and live a quiet life. As sometimes you need a peace, a life enough on TV. Ayingane nje umusa. uMacele naye esethi ayisine ngeke ohambe uyokwenza i-pregnancy test aze angafuna iy'nkinga. Uthintana nesisu sikaSine uthi siqinile ngeke sinengane sosiso ngoba umkhaya ngathamba. I'm just like, please. Hayi uMacele uhlezi ey'phathele ama-pregnancy test. uSine is definitely pregnant and libe yihlekihlekisa. Hayi mina. Athi nje yes sesandizi ubabakhe is gonna be like so angry the way people are seeing it. Hey, angazi guys. You remember uSname? I said last week ukuthi ubhizi lokele zenza umngane kababakhe ehleba ngalabo omama abashade nobabakhe, kanti ufuna ukuthi alibazise ubabakhe ukuthi akhohlwe ukuthi upregnant. Yo, I want umusa uzothini ngandaba kaSname nokukhulelwa. Ngathi engayingeni nakaLwandle. Yo, Sine siyakhala-ke manje and it's not gonna end well. And uMacele akamzweli. Don't know how she going to tell umusa uSine guys. Ngane S4 uzwile ngitheni kule video last week. Amakabishi namatamati nami ngiveza. Why am I judging Sine guys? Noma yini-ke naye uyaphuma kancane ney'ngane zakhe. Hey guys, kuyafuneka ukuthi spend time with your children. Just to check in and see what are they happy now, so they happy also with the new house, they happy. Hey uMacele azibambe ampere atshela umusa ukuthi enesine pregnant. Athi yo nje usungitshele ngoLwandle akubazukula kubazukulu kuleli khaya la kaMseliku. Hayi but nje uMseliku was just like, bro, like what are you even on about? Khulumani. Wathi hey, let me just sip my mouth. Ngakhuluma iy'ndaba zaSine. Seyikhalisa uSine naye. I'm like, now is this ingane S4? Wow.